So today I'm going to show you how to make Peter Pan's dagger out of my favorite building material, cardboard. So I do have a free template you can use for this, and the link to this should be popping up on your screen right about now, or you can draw it freehand. But either way, you just want to cut out the pieces, and then tape the blade to the hilt, so you've got your full blade template. And then you just want to trace it onto a piece of cardboard, and cut it out with a pair of scissors or a utility knife. And so you want to cut one full-size knife out of a thinner piece of cardboard, and then 2 hilt pieces out of some thicker corrugated cardboard. And then you're just going to take one of the corrugated hilts and glue that onto the longer cardboard knife. Do the same thing with the other one. So you've got the thin blade in the center and the 2 thicker pieces on the hilt. And then to cover up the corrugated marks, you just want to put a little hot glue around the outside and put a piece of paper over it. And you go all the way around the hilt doing that, so you cover up all the little holes in the cardboard. So here it is once I've got it all covered with paper. And then you just want to cut off the excess paper so that it's the same height as the cardboard. And that'll give it a nice smooth edge all the way around. So then you just want to give the hilt a coating of gold paint. And then you want to take some silver adhesive foil. And you're going to cut 2 pieces big enough to go around the blade. So just peel off the backing and press the sticky side onto the cardboard blade. Smooth it out, and then take the second piece and press that right over the other side of the blade, and you'll push the edges together so that the sticky is on the sticky. It should hold right around the blade. And then you'll just cut it out just a little bit beyond the cardboard blade so that the edges of the silver foil stay stuck to themselves. So then you've got your little blade. It's nice and thin along the edges, and it's really nice and shiny. And so then on the hilt, I was in a hurry, so I forgot to glue paint it, but if you glue paint it first, it'd make the gold paint look better. You can also hot glue a strip of cardboard down the center of the blade to give it that ridge that most blades have. Prepare for battle, pirate!
Son, I'm Captain Jack Sparrow. Savvy?
Right.